Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dave from Daven Corp. We have just taken on a brand new product called Velvet Shield. It's made by Steiner Industries. It's a flexible welding blanket that you can use to protect parts of materials and things that you don't want to heat up. For instance, if you were working on an automobile and you wanted to protect the windshield on the automobile, you could lay it on the windshield. You could also use it in a crawl space in a building. If you were working on some piping in a wall, you could put it next to the wall so that you wouldn't catch the walls on fire, which we don't want to do. I'm going to try an experiment here. This is just a piece of copper from a piece of copper pipe. Supposedly, this covers you up to 1800 degrees. Let's give it a shot. If I start to scream and yell, you'll know that it's coming through the heat. Okay? There we go. I feel a little warm, but nothing else, okay? There we go. Get nice and cherry red on that piece of copper. There you go. Can you see it? Ready to melt. Now I'm feeling a little heat on the back, but I'm up around 1800 degrees. Okay. It's pretty much melted that piece of copper. And again, I felt a little warmth. Nothing that was going to burn my hand, but I wouldn't pick up that piece of copper right now because I know from welding that you're about 1800 degrees right there. And again, I feel the heat underneath, but not to the degree that it is on the top.